Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Mull. Welcome back to our Writer's Workshop. We are on session 14, writing a series or collection of how-to books to teach others even more about a topic. Let's get started on some more writing today. Writers, I want you to look at these 3 books that I have on my screen. I have How to Make Slime, How to Make Bubbles, How to Make a Liquid Rainbow. What do you notice that is the same? Think about it. And I want you to tell anybody in the room about what you notice is the same about all 3 of these books. Go. All right, back to me. I heard a lot of friends say that these are all how-to books. You're right. And all 3 of these books are about different science experiments. This author must really love science. So that gives me an idea. She wrote about science, that was her topic, but she wrote 3 different books. So I'm going to think about something that I love, and I'm going to write different books about that same topic. Do you think you can do that? Yes, I think you can. Today, I'm going to teach you that when you really love a topic, when it is something that is a big part of your life, or if it is something that you really know a lot about, you can write lots of how-to books about it by thinking of that topic in many different ways. So let's look at a how-to book that this kindergartner Rachel wrote. She wrote 3 books about cooking because she loves cooking. She wrote How to Make an Ice Cream, How to Make a Cupcake, and How to Make a Smoothie. Since she loves cooking, she wants to make another book about cooking. But the problem is she can't figure out what to write about. Do you think you can help her out? Great! Remember, we talked about different things you can do to give you ideas about a topic. You can think about what you learned from home or at school. So since Rachel loves cooking, maybe she can think about school lunch or school breakfast, or even what mom and dad made for breakfast, lunch, or dinner at home, or even going to a restaurant. So think of some ideas that Rachel can write about, and I want you to go ahead and share them out to anybody in the room. Go. All right, back to me. I heard lots of great ideas for more how-to books. And you know what? Rachel was telling me as she heard all your ideas that she loves going to this restaurant with her parents, and she loves salads. So she decided she's going to make a how-to book on how to make a salad from a salad bar. And when she's finished, she's going to have another how-to book she can add to her collection of cooking books. So writers, today we learned that writers often don't just write one how-to book about a topic they really love. They push themselves to come up with more ideas for another book. Right now, I want you to look through your folder and to see if you could make another how-to book fit on one of the topics that you already wrote about, so that you can have a series of how-to books too. Now, when you find one, I want you to take it out and put it on top of your folder. Go. You have it? Great. So now that you picked out one how-to book, I want you to think about what your next how-to book will be. So when you have a good title for your next book, I want you to give me a thumbs up. Wow, you all were quick. You know the ideas that you want to write about. So remember, first we looked through our folders and chose a how-to book that we really love. Then you thought of another how-to book that you could write on the same topic. Now when you finish that one, you can write another one and another one. And soon you're going to have a whole collection of how-to books on the same topic. Many of you will write a second and even third how-to book on something that you really love. But maybe you will write 3 different books about dogs. So the topic is dogs. You could write how to feed a dog, another book on how to play with a dog, and then another one on how to wash a dog. Maybe you'll write how-to books about something we've learned about in school or that you learned at home. Remember that you know many strategies for doing the best work that you can do. And don't forget, we have many charts that you could use to help you remember to use those strategies. We have our how-to writing chart that you need to tell what to do in detailed steps, number your steps, have a picture for each step, and have labels that teach. You can also look at our Learning from a Mentor how-to text chart to make sure you have a title that tells what the book is about, pictures that teach, list of things you need, important parts in bold or all capital letters, that you talk to the reader using the word you, and that you have warnings, suggestions, and tips. I can't wait to see what how-to book you write today. Off you go.